overdose.
Some of these kids are college students with bright futures ahead of them, and they're dying. This just has to stop.
Right now, breaking news, a mass casualty situation in Chico after more than a dozen people overdosed at a party. 14 people have been hospitalized, including 2 Chico police officers. 1 person tonight is dead. Now we're following this breaking news situation, and we've got team coverage. Spencer Joseph is live at Enloe Medical Center, where several patients are fighting for their lives. But first we go to Mario Montalvo, who is live at the scene on Santana Court, where a house is still cordoned off, and there is a hazmat situation involved here. Mario, what can you tell us?
That's right, Cecile. I'm still here at Santana Court, where the event happened this morning. Probably about 5 houses down that way, and it's still closed off at this time. Now you can go ahead and take that video from earlier today. Now police responded to the call out here around 9 o'clock this morning. When they arrived, they found 1 man dead, and they had to transport 12 people to the hospital. Now, in addition to that, 2 Chico police officers were taken to the hospital after they too said they started to feel sick. Now, it has not been confirmed, but police say signs point to poisoning from fentanyl, an opioid often mixed in with heroin or cocaine. Now, first responders administered naloxone and performed CPR for multiple individuals on site, a task which they say took up almost every ambulance in the city of Chico. First responders say this is nothing like they'd ever seen before. Now, the 2 officers that were taken to the hospital were treated and released and are in good health. Now, the identities of the person who died as well as the other people who were transported to the hospital are not being released at this time. Police say the incident is under investigation, and they will have more information on this incident in the coming days. In Chico, Mario Montalvo, Action News Now.
Thanks, Mario. And some patients are still in critical condition at Enloe Medical Center right now, fighting for their lives. Action News Now reporter Spencer Joseph, he joins us live from Enloe Medical Center. With that, he also spoke to the mother of one of the victims. Spencer.
I'm here outside Enloe Medical Center, where the staff has activated their Incident Command Center. Now, that just shows you how serious of a situation this mass casualty is. Now, today I spoke with a mother of one of the victims, and she shared with me everything she had gone through today.
Well, I got a call from the hospital this morning that my son was in the hospital and that they didn't really tell me anything over the phone.
Upon arrival to the hospital, she discovered her son had overdosed.
The only thing was in his, that he tested positive for cocaine and marijuana, but did not test positive for opiates. They actually did give him Narcan whenever they resuscitated him. They pretty much know in there that it's probably fentanyl. I spoke to the hospital, to his doctor.
But for this mother, she shared a powerful message about the drug and the people affected by this overdose.
They're dying. This doesn't care who you are, doesn't care what class you are, doesn't care if you're from Beverly Hills or south side of Orville, doesn't care who you are. It will kill you. Some of these kids are college students with bright futures ahead of them, and they're dying. This just has to stop.
Enloe Medical Center says they have received 11 patients and that 9 remain here. Currently, there are 4 in critical condition, 4 in serious condition, 1 in fair condition. 2 were treated and released. Now, I do want to mention that 2 police officers were transported to Orville Hospital because they were starting to feel the effects of the suspected drug that they were dealing with on scene. Now, those 2 officers have since been released. 1 other victim was also transported to Orville Hospital. At this time, that patient's condition is not being released. At Enloe Medical Center, Spencer Joseph, Action News Now.
All right, thanks, Spencer. And